rainy day. Contains rain on down and leaky roof. You know what's gonna happen when the lightning comes to town. You better get your umbrella, 'cause the rain is coming down. The thunder's booming, big time, and the sky is dark and gray. You better get yourself a rowboat, 'cause the rain is on its way. It's raining, it's pouring, the Mr. Man is snoring now. You hear that? Dale's dancing, trying to make it rain on down. Wow! Dilly Dale's dancing, trying to make it rain on down. Now April's known for showers and maybe even monsoons. Oh! You better get yourself a raincoat, 'cause the downpour is coming soon. It's raining, it's pouring, the Mr. Man is snoring now. Dilly Dale's dancing, trying to make it rain on down. We're dancing, Dilly Dale's dancing, trying to make it rain on down. I need my umbrella ever. This is a calamity! Oh no! What in the actual world? Oh, it's a magnificent sofa, Miss Calamity. 100% pure wool from very exclusive sheep. Oh, but Mr. Persnickety, wool shrinks. One drop of water and it'll be ruined. I'm well aware of the risks, but it's a very small price to pay for comfort. Oh, that woman is like a bad luck charm. Hello? Mr. Strong's roof repair. Mr. Persnickety speaking. This is awful. There is a leak in my roof and it is threatening to shrink my new wool sofa. This is an emergency. Ding dong, yes? Sorry, I'm on the phone, some kind of emergency. Something about leaking the new wool sofa. Let me call you back. Alright. This is disastrous. I need you to repair this leak immediately. That's so weird. Someone must have just called about the same thing. Don't worry, when it comes to leaky roof, you're mad. Let's see, this looks bad. Can you fix it? I need to take a look outside. Oh! Hello! What are you doing? I need to take the roof back to the shop for repairs. You what? Ah, gracious, my roof. Ugh. Oh, don't worry. I'll fix it up as good as new. His bed sofa is dying. I'm thinking his sofa died. Someone needs to buy a Coca-Cola. I not like an exploding chicken. I'm thinking it's dead, and my chicken is dead. Going to punch you with your nose and dip my chicken. Cheez-Its are voting my KFC. Ow. What in the world? I think I'm going to stick of a chicken on my bottom by my ball. Mr. Grumpy and Mr. Nosy, I'm exploding the whole chicken in my eye. No!